Welcome back to my channel. I'm India and today I'm going to be showing you my Halloween decorate with me.
It's time for spooky season. It's time for spooky season.
Me and my little girl has already watched
Hocus Pocus, Halloween Town, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Hocus Pocus 2. We've even been watching Michael Myers and Halloween. She's obsessed with the boogeyman just like me. It's kind of weird. Probably one of my favorite TV shows as a kid was Scooby-Doo and Unsolved Mysteries. Now it's thrillers and unsolved crime
documentaries. Tell me what your favorites are down below for this season. Indoor, I'm keeping pretty much just the fall theme, just adding spooky touches here and there. Stuff that would be easy to take down and transition into fall again when Thanksgiving rolls around. So I do have some outdoor decor for you. I'm doing like a witchy vibe. So I'm gonna be showing you some floating candles inspired by the famous Harry Potter. Also going to be doing some flying witch hats outside, as well as a witch's coven with a witch's brew. So I'm so excited to show you guys that. So stay tuned after the indoor decor. Hope you guys stick along and watch. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And
let's get spooky, y'all.
guys, I'm still doing some last minute touches in my living area. I am going through and making these candles more sturdy. I wanted to show you a little hack to do that if you've got wobbly candles like this that are kind of just too skinny for the candlestick and won't stay. What you can do, depending on the size, you may need to cut it down. For these, I've had to cut it in half. And what you're going to do is just take your candle and wrap it in there to give it a little bit of cushion. And as you can see, that fits down in there. It's not wobbly anymore, and it's secure. Okay guys, we are outside and it is so windy. Perfect for spooky season. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start off by hanging our little witch hats that we made. Hopefully they don't fly away. I keep chasing pumpkins because they keep flying away. I think I'm just gonna hang one, see how it holds before I go and hang everything to see if I'm gonna need push pins or something like that. So just used a needle and fishing line, and it came with these little sticky things. Kind of looks like command hooks. So I'm gonna unstick that. A floating candle too to see how that holds. To need are 3 broomsticks from the Dollar Tree. How many witches you want? You need these little pumpkin pails, and then each of them needs a dress, and you're going to use a round black tablecloth from the Dollar Tree, and then you're going to need to make arms for them. You use the long rectangle for that. You can put some witch hats, lights, cauldron, add some accessories to it. So I just removed the handles from my pumpkins, cut me a little X down here with a knife. Use a rubber mallet. You can get one of these at the Dollar Tree too, to put those in the ground. You guys can't see me. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it. It looks creepy. I wish I could add some lights. I might do that. I also want to add one more final touch that I'm going to show you guys. So stay tuned. There's a little mist maker in there that I have hooked up with a drop cord that changes colors. I got it from the Dollar Tree from the $5 section, so it was the perfect touch to add to this. So cute with just Coven. I absolutely love how it turned out. For watching. I appreciate it so much. Be sure to like, comment what your favorite thing about the video was, and be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for a Halloween costume DIY. You'll want to stick around and see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween!